This is Dan from MyDrinkYourWine.com. We're here at Desert Wind Winery today with Erin. She's the tasting room manager, and believe it or not, she is an April 1st baby. Today is her birthday. So how does it feel to be 25 again, Erin?
Oh, wonderful. I can't tell you.
So I bet having a birthday on April 1st was somewhat of a challenge sometimes. People pull pranks on you and all that.
Always good for a good joke, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. You got a little story you could share with us?
On my 16th birthday, my dad told me, well, there's something out in the garage that's nice and shiny and you should go check it out. Naturally, on a 16th birthday, you think you're getting a car, but I got a bright red, brand new bike.
So still riding to school, but pedal power, right?
Yeah. Trying to be green, and that's my part in doing so. Still riding my bike.
There you go. Good for you. Okay, what are we drinking?
Today we have the 2006 Ruoff.
Okay.
This is our signature blend. It's probably our best known wine. It's a blend of Cabernet Franc, Cabernet Sauvignon, and Merlot, which are traditional Bordeaux varieties. The word Ruoff itself means wind or spirit in Hebrew, which we thought would have a nice cachet to it, I guess.
Yeah.
It's going with Desert Wind. And it's our most popular wine by far.
Okay. And as I recall, you guys are an estate winery. You grow all your own grapes on the Waleed Slope, as I recall?
We do. We have about 600 acres up there, 2 different vineyard sites. The largest one is Desert Wind Vineyard, and that's where all these grapes are coming from. We also have a smaller vineyard called Sacagawea Vineyard, which is a little more of our experimental vineyard. We have some Riesling there and things like that, but we also put in Tempranillo, Barbera, some of the lesser known grapes.
Great, great. So it's nice to hear people experimenting and doing all that kind of good stuff. So let's give it a go.
What do you think?
I like that. I do. Nice long finish. Fruit forward, black currant. Tastes a little peach in there too. But that's just me. Everybody tastes something different. It's the wonderful thing about wine. It's so subjective.
Well, this is a pretty versatile wine. It goes well with a lot of different foods. We particularly like it with anything barbecued or ribs, something real nice and meaty, but it does have a nice fruit component to it too, so it pairs with a lot of different foods.
Nice. I like that. Really good. I like the fact that you guys chose a kind of a different name that actually has a meaning. It's not just Chardonnay or Cabernet or that sort of thing.
Yeah, we really wanted to find a wine name that people could remember and sort of had its own. It's taken on a life of its own. People oftentimes even know the Ruoff instead of Desert Wind. They may not remember quite who produces it, but you hear them talking about the Ruoff, so it's pretty cool. I personally think we have one of the better known red blends in Washington State. So that's
becoming its own icon. Here's one of the guest rooms at Desert Wind. The rooms are all named after Northwest explorers. This happens to be the Charbonneau room. Gorgeous beds and bedding. Private balcony. Sitting area. Fireplace. Well, it's Erin's birthday and she can't be here. She's out on the road. But we're not done celebrating yet. Just because you're not here, we're going to go ahead and have some fun here. All your friends down at Desert Wind, wish you well and happy birthday and many more. It's really something to be an April 1st birthday girl, I'm sure. I'd like to thank you for sharing that story earlier. So we're going to drink a little bit more Ruoff here. We've got a birthday cake, piece of cake for you. I'm going to go ahead and blow out the candle, although I won't sing happy birthday. I know better than that by now. So happy birthday, Erin, and many, many more. To you. Wouldn't you know it? So today it looks like the joke's on me. April Fools! Happy birthday. So tell me you haven't had that pulled on you before. Well, I'm Dan from idrinkyourwine.com. If you're buying, I'm drinking. Life is good.